Welcome to another ARCHLine.XP tutorial. My name is Hendrik and today I'll be showing you how to create your own custom plot layouts. Plot layouts are also known as title blocks, and these basically show your full project information on the right hand side of a sheet. So to do that, we're just going to use an existing title block from an architecture firm. So to do that, we'll just go add a to drawing. So to do that, we'll just go view, add a to drawing, and we're just going to call this plot layout sheet. Actually, we'll just call this plot layout. So for this example, we're going to import an existing plot layout as a DWG. So we'll just go to our existing plot layout. So for this architecture firm, we already have an existing layout that they'd like to use. So all we have to do for this is import the DWG. So to do that, we'll just go import DWG title block, and we'll leave this as it is. In units, it would be in millimeters. Go OK. So we have our plot layout. Now we're just going to go select the full extent, Control C, right click, and we're going to go to plot layout, right click, create new, and we're going to go select a sheet. We're going to go A2. Okay, maximize this window. We'll just try that again. Okay, plot layout, and we'll just select any one of these. Okay, we have an A2 sheet, and we're just going to delete this plot layout. We're going to maximize it. So what we need to do now, just quickly, is just to create an outside border. So to do that, we go to drafting, rectangle, just select the full sheet, and we click on it, offset all, and we'll leave this at 5 millimeters. Just go select the proper okay, we have it selected now. And we'll go 5 mil. So now we have quite a nice border. So what we also need to do is go Control V, and we're going to insert our existing plot. So we just need to select the entire imported DWG, and we're just going to move it across. Going to move from, and we're just going to move it right to the edge. And we'll do the same with this one. Move it here. And as we can see, some of the text that we imported a little bit weirdly, so we're just going to go and delete this. Just try again. Okay, just unselect the elements we don't want to delete. Okay, just go and delete this. And for this, we need to just insert our own text, but we'll just, for now, we'll just go move copy from, and we'll just leave this to insert whichever notes you need to insert. And I think we're quite happy with this. What we need to do now is we just need to change these so that it actually shows up in the window when we want to change these. So this needs to be text only. There can be no symbols or characters. So we'll just call this control N-O, and what we need to do is go right click and convert to a variable. And we'll do this for all of them. This one we'll just delete it and copy this plot date. And just change the font size and just make it black. Okay. So now we have everything we need. We'll just make this a bit neater and we'll just create a square around this. Tab, just hit tab and we'll just delete these lines. And we'll just create another square around this. Right here. And we'll just go just hit delete and we'll just hit delete. And for this one, we can just leave like this. So we'll just adjust this, move it down a bit. Okay, so now all we need to do is just select full extent, hit Control Select. So I'll just show you how I did that. Just select full extent, Control click. So we just have this selected. So for this, we'll just go Group 2D, and we'll go Create Group in Library. So now we just need to select this as a reference point. We'll click on this edge, and we'll click on this edge, and click Enter. So we'll just call this A2 title block. We'll save this under printing, English, and we will just reference the original architects. So now we've created a custom plot sheet, and what we can do with this, when we create a new sheet, go create new, and we'll go A2, and we'll just select an arbitrary plot sheet, go yes, and we're going to just delete this. Sorry, we'll just go back. Okay, plot layout, create new, we'll go A2, and we will add our unique plot. Just go see where we saved this. Just try this again. Okay, group 2D, create group in library. Select these 2 points, enter. Just go generic for now. Go OK. So now we'll go create plot layout A2, and we will go with this one that we've created. Click OK. And here it's going to ask us to fill in all the custom information. So we'll just quickly fill this in. Okay, go OK. So as you can see, it inserted all these plot stamps automatically. So what we just need to do is just to drag it across, and we'll just go move this over here, and we have everything ready. So this is an A2 sheet. And we'll just call it A101. Oops. And we're just going to go down here and delete the other sheets. So we're just going to go to our hidden sheets, just delete all the other ones so that we don't get confused. Just delete the other ones. Okay, so what we can do now is we can just drag our ground floor plan, and we'll drag it 1:100, and we can drag it just like this.